Welcome to the Microsoft Excel training. Now, in today's video, we are going to be looking at another text function, and that is the lower function. The lower function converts uppercase function into a lowercase text format. So we are going to go into the Excel session to see how this can be done. Now, the lower function is also a text function. Now, the function converts all letters in a text string to lowercase. The syntax is equal sign, lower, and then you put your text. So you can type your text or reference your text. The key features here is that it converts all uppercase letters to lowercase, and then of course it does not change numbers or special characters. It is useful for standardized case in data entry. Join me in the class. Let's see how this is done. So this is our Excel worksheet, and we have some text in uppercase, and all we just want to do is put the equals lower. Then you select your text, and it converts everything to a lowercase. And this is also applicable to this equals lower. Then select your text, you press enter, then you can copy for every other person. Okay? So if you are trying to adopt your new text, let's say you want to use it in your document, you cannot just leave it as a formula. So what you can do is copy it and paste special as paste value. So you paste value, and you can see that it's no longer a formula, it's now a text. Okay. So that is the lower function for lowercase. See you in another class when we'll be looking at another text function. For now,